I won't blame the parents. The graduates are done studying, so they don't follow instructions anymore. On the count of 3, right? We're going to do it again. This time, I want you to lose your voice, right? I want you to go absolutely mad. I want the voices to raise. I want the noise levels to reverberate all the way through this hall and all the way to the AgriSciences block on campus. Are we ready to do that? So, celebrating the Faculty of AgriSciences on 3, 2, 1, let's go! Wonderful. Now that's more like it, right? I even heard a young hala, hala, right? Thank you very much. You may be seated. Thank you. Now it most certainly is starting to feel like a graduation ceremony. So we try again. Good afternoon, everybody. There we go, there we go. Welcome to this March graduation ceremony of the University of Stellenbosch. My name is Bantu, and I kindly request your attention as I share a few important announcements with you before the official commencement of the ceremony. Namkelekile nonke kulomsitho wothwaliso sidanga lwale University yase Stellenbosch. Igama lam ndinguBantu. Ayikokuqala komsitho oku, ndimanje kukwenza izaziso ezimbalwa phambi kokuba kuqalwe ngokusemthethweni. Enkosi ngokuniboleka indlebe zenu. Goeiemiddag almal en hartlik welkom aan elkeen van u by hierdie maartgrade plegtighede van die Universiteit Stellenbosch. My naam is Bantu en ek doen die aankondigings voor ons amptelik met die seremonie begin. Baie dankie vir die aandag. As my ouma nou hier was, dan het sy gesê, julle lyk spoggerig. The toilet facilities are behind us, and you can get there by first exiting the hall and then entering from the sides. All toilet entrances are clearly marked. We also have medical assistance available behind the stage. If you need help, please do not hesitate to approach any of the ushers. Daar is ook mediese bystand beskikbaar. Indien jy hulp benodig, moet asseblief nie huiwer om enige van ons rigtingsaanwysers te nader nie. Any lost and found items can be handed in at the information kiosk in front of this venue. If you have lost something, you're welcome to inquire there. In the event of an emergency evacuation of this venue, please proceed calmly to the exit closest to you and congregate on the rugby fields between the Dani Craven Stadium and this hall that is to my left-hand side. Please follow the instructions of the safety officers as well as campus security staff. A prayer room is available in the sports science building, located near the rear of this center, that's to my right-hand side. Signage has been provided to guide you, and ushers will be available to assist as needed. Allow me to introduce our fantastic musicians, the SU Jazz Quartet, the Stellenbosch University Wind and Percussion Ensemble. They are conducted by Pascal Haas, and the vocalist that will sing the national anthem for us is Session Johnson. Please help me in giving them a warm round of applause. The presiding officer at this ceremony is the Vice-Chancellor and Rector, Professor Deresh Ramjugannath. Graduates, former president used to say, listen carefully. When we get to the awarding of degrees, please walk up to the dean and hand your announcement card to the official. Then, after your name has been read, walk to the presiding officer, bow, and then proceed to the registrar. Turn around for acknowledgement by the audience and allow for the hooding before you proceed to the end of the stage. Now, I know, and all of us know, that you guys are some of the most amazing, brilliant minds in the rest of the world. And even though you are as brilliant as you are, we know in big moments, sometimes nerves can get the better of us. But we want to make sure that this experience is as flawless as possible, so we've got you covered, right? When you walk up to the stage, you will see there's little tape everywhere to direct you to exactly where you need to be, right? So when you line up, if it's your time, you proceed to the first little red line there. There's a little bit of a red tape. You stand there and you hand your announcement card to the dean, who will read your name, and then you proceed to the first X marks the spot. That's where the presiding officer will be. You bow, and then you proceed to where the registrar will be. Turn around for acknowledgement by the audience while the registrar will hood you, and of course your family and friends will go before you make your way to the end of the stage, right? Now, your family will not forgive me if I don't give you this golden tip. I see the salons have made a lot of money. Your hair is beautiful. The fader is in. The weaves are weaving. So here's a golden tip. When you bow at the presiding officer, remember to tuck those beautiful long locks of hair behind your left ear so that you can get the moment captured perfectly and grandmother can get the photo that belongs in her lounge, all right? As you know, we come from different backgrounds and speak many different languages. At Stellenbosch University, we value multilingualism, and as such, we are deeply committed to treating each graduate with respect. And this includes making every effort to pronounce each name correctly. Now, I can guarantee you our deans have spent considerable amount of time practicing carefully in preparation for today. We do, however, ask for your understanding and graciousness should any of the names not be pronounced exactly as intended. Members of the audience, you are welcome to take photographs, but we ask that you please switch off your sound and flash and that you keep your phones on silent for the duration of the ceremony. Each and every graduate deserves their big moment. Therefore, we request that you do not leave the hall before the whole ceremony has been concluded. And at the end of the graduation ceremony, once the procession has left, we respectfully request that you exit the hall swiftly so that cleaning and preparation for the next ceremony may commence as soon as possible. We ask that you please take along any waste items such as water bottles, tissues, etc., and dispose of these safely in the bins outside. To ensure a safe, orderly, and high-quality graduation experience, Stellenbosch University kindly requests that graduates and guests make use of the official Stellenbosch University appointed photographers. These photographers will be clearly identifiable by their SU-branded bibs and have access to the designated photography areas reserved exclusively for them. They've also set up a studio in the Sports Science building located at the rear of the center, and that's to my left-hand side. Graduates, together with their family and friends, are welcome to make use of this service. Please note, the university discourages the use of photographers operating along the perimeter of this venue. These photographers are not appointed, accredited, or endorsed by the university, and as such, Stellenbosch University is therefore unable to guarantee the quality of their work and the level of service. And because jy sal vir altyd 'n maatie bly, and because we won Varsity Cup Rugby last night, be on the lookout for the Marty Shop mobile unit to purchase Stellenbosch University branded items to remind you of the successful academic journey that we are celebrating here today, and make sure that you wear that maroon the whole week long, because all we do is win. And at the end of the ceremony, we invite you to the Alumni Clubhouse at the Staal to celebrate your achievements with a glass of bubbly that is next to the Dani Craven Stadium on my left-hand side. At Stellenbosch University, you have gained far more than just a qualification. You have grown in countless ways and helped others to do the same. To that end, we invite you as brand new members of our global network of Marty's alumni to come to the Alumni Clubhouse and collect your Marty pin. Wear it with pride as you embark on the next chapter of your life. Here's a piece of good news. This graduation ceremony can be followed live via live streaming from anywhere in the world. In case you were not aware of this, you are welcome to share the following web address with family and friends. Also share it with the haters, the naysayers, and the detractors that said you will never make it here. Make sure you write it in bold letters and say, "Eat your hearts out, look at me now." That web address is www.su.ac.za/streaming. Right, the moment has arrived. We ask that you please stand for the academic procession and remain standing until after we have sung the national anthem. Thank you very much and do enjoy.
Good afternoon, everyone. We begin the proceedings by singing the South African national anthem. Goeiemiddag almal. Ons begin die verrigtinge deur Suid-Afrika se nasionale lied te sing. Thank you very much. You may be seated. Let's show some appreciation for our musicians, the Stellenbosch University Jazz Quartet, as well as Stellenbosch University's Wind and Percussion Ensemble, conducted by Pascal Haas and Sachin Johnson for the national anthem. The musicians will now leave us. Let us give them another round of applause in appreciation. Thank you very much. I hereby declare this congregation of Stellenbosch University duly constituted. Hiermee verklaar ek hierdie kongregasie van die Universiteit Stellenbosch behoorlik geattesteer. At the start of this graduation ceremony, we as the academic community, parents, partners, family, and friends are deeply grateful for the privilege to be able to be here today to celebrate our graduates' success. To this end, I invite you all to remain seated while we observe a devotional moment, granting each other the space to do so according to our various secular and religious perspectives. Baie dankie, thank you, and Nkosi Kakhulu. A very warm welcome to our 5th graduation ceremony of March here in the Kotzenberg Center. We trust that you will enjoy the proceedings this late afternoon. We extend a warm welcome to our distinguished guests from Mzuzu University in Malawi, led by their Vice Chancellor, Professor Wales Singini, who joins us for this graduation ceremony. And a special word of welcome to also joining us today, the representatives of the Student Representative Council, Ms. Sanaliswe Swalwayo. We also extend our heartfelt welcome to our generous and valued funders. This year, philanthropic donors have enabled an exceptional 10,803 students to continue their educational journey here at Stellenbosch University. Ons dank u oprek vir u bydraes tot die sukses van ons studente. In addition to all of us present here, we also have online guests who have joined the proceedings via live streaming. We trust it will be a memorable experience for our candidates, the families, and the friends. I am Diresh Ramjagannath. I'm the Rector and the Vice Chancellor, and joining me up here on stage on my left is the Acting Deputy Vice Chancellor of Learning and Teaching, Professor Richard Stevens. On my right, the Registrar, Dr. Ronald Retief. She is responsible for the academic administration of the university. Next to her is Ms. Penny van der Bank, the Deputy Registrar for Governance, Ethics and Compliance. We also welcome our new Dean for AgriSciences, been in the job since January of this year, Professor Kennedy Zama, the Vice Dean for Learning and Teaching in the faculty, Professor Mariette de Tooy, Professor Karen Elsler, the new Vice Dean for Research, Innovation and Postgraduate Studies, and our newly appointed Pro-Vice Chancellor for Internationalization, who is also the Dean of the Faculty of Theology, Professor Reginald Nell. At Stellenbosch University, we believe that multilingualism is an asset in the spirit of mutual respect for languages and cultures, inclusivity, and a welcoming culture that we are fostering at our institution. I request Mr. Tulani Simayele to direct a few words of welcome in isiXhosa.
Kwingqonyela kwisekela chancellor nechancellor ngokwayo kwisigqeba esihloniphekileyo sefaculty yezolimo kwizidwesha izidwangube kwabo bonke abakhoyo kule ndawo kumanene namanenekazi kubazali kunye nosingaye abazawuthwesa izidanga ngokuhlwa nje ndithi molweni nonke mawethu. Kuluvuyo nochulumanco ukuba senjenje namhlanje sidibane kule ndawo sizothi huntshu kwabo abawongwayo kude kwayile mini ebekade ixelwa ijongwe ngamehlo abomvu. Khange kube lula ke ukuza kufika kule ndawo kodwa kwenzekile. Siyile university ke sithi ngxe mzi wakowethu ngokubiza amagama nanjengoko nizawube ninyuka iqonga nisiza apha ngaphambili. Amanye amagama sawuthi siphazame ukuwabiza ngenxa ke yomngeni yamagama ethu angafaniyo. Kodwa ke siyazama kangangoko sinako kuba samkela zonke iinkcubeko neelwimi ezikhoyo mbombozone zehlabathi. Nina bathweswa izidanga nditsho nina bosingaye ndithi ntinga ntakandini abazali namhla bazosuliwa inyembezi, abazali namhla izipaji bazawutsho bazivale kuba kaloku ubuyile unyana, ibuyile intombi ize nentshinga ekhaya. Makube chosi kube hele, enkosi kakhulu.
Thank you very much, Mr. Tulani Simayele Nkosi. Before we dive into the heart of this special ceremony, allow me to share a few words. This afternoon, we celebrate the Faculty of AgriSciences. This March graduation contributes to a record 10,170 graduates for the 2025 academic year, a nearly 8% growth year on end in terms of our graduates. This reflects a university that is not standing still, but steadily expanding its reach, its relevance, and its impact. During the March cycle alone, 3,645 qualifications are being awarded, with strong representation across all faculties and continued growth in postgraduate and in doctoral output. Within this, we celebrate 147 graduates in AgriSciences for the March graduations alone, and 528 for the 2025 academic year. We are very proud of the faculty's doctoral contributions, 31 PhDs for the last academic year across fields such as food science, agronomy, animal science, and conservation ecology. These are disciplines that sit at the intersection of science, sustainability, and society. In a world facing increasing pressure on natural resources, climate uncertainty, and food security challenges, the work that's being done in this faculty is not abstract. It is essential. As Kenyan Nobel Peace Prize laureate Wangari Maathai reminds us, it's the little things citizens do. That's what will make the difference. Graduates, your work may begin in laboratories, in the vineyards, and in the fields, but its impact will be felt far beyond them. Remember, you are contributing to systems that sustain life itself. Congratulations to each of you, and thank you for allowing us to share in this moment of celebration with you. Baie geluk. I will now confer on candidates who are presented to me the respective qualifications. Ek sal nou aan die kandidate wat aan my voorgestel word, die onderskeie kwalifikasies verleen.
Mr. Vice-Chancellor, I request you confer on the candidates whom I will present to you the degree Doctor of Philosophy in the Faculty of AgriSciences. The supervisor concerned will give a brief outline of the dissertation. Jade Andrews, with dissertation evaluating the social, biophysical, and financial implications of transitioning to conservation agriculture in vegetable production systems. Supervisor, Professor Johann Strauss. Professor Strauss is not able to be with us today, so I'll read the citation. Mr. Vice-Chancellor, the study explored Western Cape farmers' views on conservation agriculture and assessed soil health, yield, and financial outcomes in vegetable production systems. Surface mulch improved soil health, while cover crops influenced yields differently across sites. The research highlights key opportunities and challenges of adopting conservation agriculture in vegetable production systems. Mr. Vice-Chancellor, I request you confer the degree on Jade Andrews. Justin Joseph Asmus, with dissertation multi-omics analysis of interactions between wine yeast species, supervision provided by Professor Florian Bauer.
Mr. Vice-Chancellor, wine fermentation are a human-made ecological niche, but also a scientific model to investigate molecular interactions between microbial species. The candidate designed the screen to identify genes that impact these interactions and evaluated the role of physical contact. The question is to touch or not to touch between cells of different species, establishing practical and theoretical foundations for future studies. I request you to confer the degree on Mr. Justin Asmus.
Glenn David Cooper, with dissertation, The Potential Contribution of Regolith to Nutrient Supply for Eucalyptus Plantations in KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. Supervision provided by Dr. Andrei Rozanov. Mr. Vice-Chancellor, I request you to confer the degree. Unfortunately, Dr. Rozanov is not here to read the citation. Rashika Khalidin, with dissertation determining the risk associated with the use of different mulch types and the spread of canker and wood rot pathogens in apple orchards. Supervisor, Professor Lizelle Mostel.
Mr. Vice-Chancellor, this study determined the risk of mulch type used in apple orchards. Fungal structures and aerial spore dispersal patterns were assessed. It was found that apple tree chips made from infected trees are a source of viable spores that can infect young trees. Results from the study will support producers in their choice of mulch and improve production practices. I request you to confer the degree on Rashika Khalidin.
Andres Abraham Leroux with dissertation Climate Drivers of Canola Production, Understanding and Modeling Current and Future Production Potential in the Swartland region of the Western Cape. Supervisor, Professor Stephanie Midgley.
Mr. Vice-Chancellor, this study explores how climate change influences canola production in the Western Cape. The research shows that future conditions can increase yield potential when soil moisture is sufficient, but heat and drought stress during flowering can limit performance. Careful cultivar selection, water conservation practices, and optimized planting dates support climate-resilient canola production systems. I request you to confer the degree on Mr. Andres Leroux.
Harold Kecha Malahlela with dissertation investigating the effectiveness of nanobubbles of reducing microbial decay, maintaining quality and safety of fresh guava during post-harvest storage. Supervisor, Dr. Oluwafemi James Caleb.
Mr. Vice-Chancellor, Mr. Malela's study investigated the effectiveness of micro-nanobubble water on the reducing microbial load and maintaining quality of fresh guava. He used advanced analytical tools, and the candidate was able to establish the antimicrobial action of micro-nanobubble against Clostridium, E. coli, and Staphylococcus. He showed that micro-nanobubble can be an alternative for chlorine wash in the pack house. I request that you confer the degree on Mr. Harold Malahlela. Thank you.
Dikobe Karen Molepo with dissertation integrating DNA barcoding, bioclimatic modeling, and habitat analysis to assess the diet and potential spread of Vespula germanica, Fabricius 1793 in the Western Cape of South Africa. Supervision, Professor Rowan Veldman.
Mr. Vice-Chancellor, German wasps prey on a wide range of insect species, with woodland supporting the highest dipteran prey diversity, suggesting optimal habitat. These findings fill a critical gap in determining diet variations across different land use and habitat types, together with the predicted potential future distribution under specific bioclimatic and land use conditions. I request you to confer the degree on Dikobe Molepo.
My patro, Margaret Mota, with dissertation Induced Mutation in Potato to Improve Drought Adaptation and Productivity. Supervisor, Dr. Estelle Kempen.
Mr. Vice-Chancellor, the study evaluated drought tolerance in potato and developed drought-tolerant mutants using induced mutations. 4 cultivars were screened under water stress, followed by gamma irradiation and EMS mutagenesis. Several mutant lines show improved growth, yield, and physiological performance under drought conditions, supporting their potential for water-limited environments. I request you to confer the degree to Margaret Mota.
Mulueli Millicent Doe, with dissertation, The Effects of Age, Germination, Pre-treatments, Biological Amendments, and Residue Management on weedy ryegrass seed germination and longevity. Supervisor, Dr. Mike Ferreira. Mr. Vice-Chancellor, I request you confer the degree. Dr. Ferreira is not here to read the citation. Nandi Elena Nyamende, with dissertation, Impact of Electrolyzed Water Treatments and Packaging on Physiological Characteristics, Biochemical Content, Phytonutrients, and Microbial Load of Fresh-Cut Granny Smith apples, supervision provided by Dr. James Caleb Olafuemi.
Mr. Vice-Chancellor, fresh-cut apples are highly susceptible to quality deterioration, browning, and microbial load. Ms. Namende successfully optimized the application of electrolyzed water pre-treatment in combination with modified atmosphere and humidity packaging as a novel approach for maintaining the quality and safety of fresh-cut apples. She elucidated the underlying mechanisms of anti-browning and antimicrobial action of the treatment. I request you to confer the degree on Ms. Namende Nandi.
Aisha Sheikh. Aisha will be hooded by her father, Mr. Mohammed Sheikh. Dr. Lindy Rose will read the declaration.
Mr. Vice-Chancellor, fungal ear-rot pathogens reduce maize yield and contaminate kernels with compounds toxic to humans and livestock. Genetic regions and plant metabolites that resist disease development and toxin accumulation were identified in African maize germplasm. These findings can assist breeding programs to develop maize hybrids resistant to mycotoxigenic fungi. I request that you confer the degree on Aisha Sheikh Abrams.
Zimbili Onisiwe Sibia, with dissertation, Strategic Alignment of Appropriate Technology Adoption for Plantation-Based Silviculture Operations. Supervisor, Professor Bruce Talbot.
Thank you. Mr. Vice-Chancellor, commercial timber plantations supply industries with raw materials essential to society. Forestry cooperatives enable small and medium-scale growers to access professional services and must align appropriate technology adoption with organizational strategy while preserving participatory governance. This research develops a multi-criteria decision analysis framework for silvicultural operations within a South African timber cooperative. I request that you confer the degree on Ms. Zimbili Bonisiwe Sibia. Yeah.
Jan Rhino Smith with dissertation employing multi-omics toolkits to investigate cell wall-related responses to mycoparasitism. Supervisor, Professor Florian Bauer.
Mr. Vice Chancellor, some yeast species are predators, an unusual property in microorganisms. The candidate investigated the prey preferences of predatory yeasts and the physiological and molecular responses of prey species. The data provide insights into evolutionary processes and molecular prey defense mechanisms and contribute to potential application in fermentation and health science. I request you to confer the degree on Mr. Jan Rhino Smith.
Maxi Sneeman with dissertation advancing Tripidae biology for improved pest management, estimating dispersal potential, landscape connectivity, and environmental stress adaptations. Supervisor, Dr. Minette Kasten.
Mr. Vice Chancellor, this thesis assessed pest fruit fly physiology, genomics, and landscape ecology using several innovative approaches. Diverse farming practices, human activities, and environmental conditions contribute to the abundance and movement of pests within and between regions. Outcomes from this work provide novel insights to improving area-wide management strategies for these agricultural pests. I request that you confer the degree on Maxi Sneeman.
Karen Joanne Truter with dissertation utilization of precision agriculture to improve agronomic management and increase profitability in South African field crop production systems. Prof. Meyer will read the citation in place of Prof. Swanepoel, who's ill and can't be with us today.
Mr. Vice Chancellor, this study demonstrated that precision agriculture can significantly improve input efficiency and profitability in the South African field crops. Data-intensive soybean, maize, and wheat trials showed that optimized flat and variable rate seeding consistently outperformed standard practices. The work provides a practical framework for data-driven, sustainable crop management across diverse farming environments. I request that you confer the degree on Karen Truter.
Manfred Fenter with dissertation, the impact of different fungicide product combinations on molting barley yield, quality, and profitability in the Western Cape province of South Africa. Supervision provided by Professor Swanepoel, who can't be with us today. I will read the citation. Mr. Vice Chancellor, the South African molting barley faces risk from fungal diseases and fungicide resistance. Field surveys and trials showed heavy fungicide use, confirmed fungicide resistance in Pyrenopora terrace, and demonstrated that profitability varies by disease pressure and site, underscoring the need for risk-based integrated stewardship that aligns fungicide choice with disease risk. I request that you confer the degree on Manfred Venter. Jessica Wynn with dissertation in evolutionary ecological genomic study to inform conservation and management of smooth-hound shark, Mustelus at regional and oceanic global scales, supervision provided by Professor Aletta van der Meven.
Mr. Vice-Chancellor, this study delivers new insight into the vulnerability of the commercially exploited smooth-hound shark to environmental change while advancing our understanding of the family's evolution. By integrating multiple genomic approaches, crucial patterns of adaptive genomic variation and gene flow were revealed, providing a foundation for more targeted conservation and sustainable management in future. I request you to confer the degree on Jessica Carolyn Wynn.
Daniel Ziff, with dissertation Mitigation of Smoke Taint in Red Wine by Enological Yeast Strains, supervision provided by Prof. Benoit Devaux, but Prof. Dutoy will read the citation.
Mr. Vice-Chancellor, this research explored how yeast glycosidase enzyme activity affects smoke taint, a reality we all experience this season during the development in wine fermentation. By screening and characterizing multiple yeast strains, it revealed a wide variety in beta-glucosidase activity that we could exploit and showed that yeast strains increase smoke-derived volatile phenols. This will assist downstream removal of the free volatile phenols that are responsible for the smoke taint perception. I request you to confer the degree on Daniel Ziff.
Mr. Vice-Chancellor, I request you confer the following qualifications in the Faculty of AgriSciences. The qualification Master of Science. Simpiwe Ntombikona, cum laude. Courtney Doyle. Apelele Tandubuntu. Trevor Daniel Latehan, cum laude. Rianka Lotter. Atandile Melwana. Poloko John Molokoli, cum laude. Sandile Nkambule. Kirsty Haley Podhita, cum laude. Ndivuo Simali. Stephanie van der Vaart, cum laude. Donatia van der Vaart. Liam Fitboy. The degree Master of Science in Agriculture. Jessica Albertine, cum laude. Megan Marie Barry. Jessica Claire Barton. Jean-Pierre Claassen. Rebecca N. Ellerbeck. Megan Ruby Faka, cum laude. Tina Schrobela. Jade Christine Hans. Ineka Harold, cum laude. Nokukanya Songwane, cum laude. Andre Kallis Kleinhans, cum laude. Nandipa Kupelo. Emily Mpo Malebati, cum laude. Viwe Mulawa. Nokutemba Happiness Mtalane. Nanye Hannah Nodia. Johan Cornelius and Pina. Daniela Ramos, cum laude. Isaac Herman Rue. Caitlin Lee Samson, cum laude. Kagiso Sehole. Azuruddin Sheikh. Gustav Johann Smoke, cum laude. Barend Petrus Sprith. Jan Alexander Tiron, cum laude. Kathleen van Blerik. Christian van der Weshezen, cum laude. Richard Johan van Rooyen. Peter van Santen. Jasper van Veek, cum laude. The degree Master of Science in Forestry and Wood Sciences. Jacobus Arnoldus van Zel. Jolene van Zel, cum laude. Cara Fisser. Anna Henrietta Vlok van Zel. Nathan Stephanus Wilson. Richard Dillon Wimbush, cum laude. Sive Zanzi. The degree Master of Science in Conservation Ecology.
Okay, so it's wood product science, not conservation ecology.
The degree Master of Science in Forestry and Wood Sciences. Jean Reino Müller. Johannes van Schalkwijk, who will be hooded by his father, Prof. Kobus van Schalkwijk. I called it down. Jordan Wall. The degree Master of Science in Conservation Ecology. Abigail Nell, cum laude. Ernst Schlemmer, cum laude. Lola Singo, cum laude. The degree Master of Science in Food and Nutrition Security. Arbella Shenley Closton, cum laude. Savannah Jade Philip De Matos, cum laude. Hannah Grace Haynes. Jean Irene Chaubet, cum laude. Melissa Kukumur. Unati Liwani. Jenna Alexandra Peoples, cum laude. Faith Chepkemoi Sawe. Wongeka Eunice Shezi. The degree Master of Science in Food Science. Shay Barnes, cum laude. Tanya Dutoy. Ilke Olivier, cum laude. Cleo Sass, cum laude. The degree Master of Agriculture. Clepeton Chirwa. Lizanne Fenter. The degree Bachelor of Science Honors. Emma Catherine Doe, cum laude. the degree Bachelor of Agricultural Science honors. Nape Anam Pekokwana. Postgraduate Diploma in Agronomy, Ainsley Peterson. The qualification Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, Chiesa Nicole Baloy. Cornelis Brink. Charles Carter, cum laude. Yunelisa Dimane. Andres Gerhardus Dutoy. William Emsley. Joshua Jess Hector. Joe Christopher Hill. Jessica Kyla Mieter. Karabo Mchelanoka. Jakubus Nietling. Charles Nessa. Koisona Ntite. Lesivana Daniel Chane. Stephanas Gabriel Prince. Jacques Robertson. Paul Sekamela. Carla Stampf. Cara Christa van Rijn. Levan Dion van Saal. Erin Samantha Verapin. Albert Vevey. Caitlin Winterbach. The qualification Bachelor of Science in Conservation Ecology. Joshua Nell. The qualification Bachelor of Agriculture. Dale Aronson. Dean Atzel. Nicholas Neville Bolton. Pierre Dutoy. Johann Gerhard Heinz. Nokwazi Yudia Mtetwa. Alungile Mchubungu. Chad Slack. Is that it? Mr. Vice Chancellor, I request you to confer the respective qualifications to those candidates whose names have been presented to you but who could not attend in their absence.
I confer the respective qualifications on the candidates in their absence. Ek verleen die onderskeie kwalifikasies aan die kandidaate in hulle afwesigheid. We have now reached the conclusion of the awarding of qualifications. Namens die Universiteit van Stellenbosch wil ek my enige gelukwense oordra aan elkeen van u wat vandag 'n kwalifikasie ontvang. This is a remarkable achievement and we celebrate this special milestone with you. Stellenbosch University is you and the more than 230,000 other alumni across the globe who are connected to Mātiland in ways that are as diverse as you all are. Mātis are everywhere, and whenever I encounter them, I am always impressed by the meaningful contributions they make to society. More and more alumni stay connected to Stellenbosch University by joining alumni chapters all over the world. At the moment, there are 52 alumni chapters and counting. From Namibia to Hong Kong, San Francisco to Dubai, thousands of Mātis are connecting and reconnecting with the university in meaningful ways. Wherever you are in the world and wherever you get to go in the world, you'll be able to keep in touch with us as an institution. In 2025, we hosted 165 alumni engagements in 17 countries across the globe, engaging more than 1,000 alumni in person. Remember, the alumni office is your lifelong link to your alma mater. Stay in touch with us on social media and visit the institution's alumni office at www.martisalumni.com. And if you miss Mātiland too much, you will have good reason to return every year to attend our annual homecoming and family weekend for alumni. This year's dates are Thursday, the 10th of September to Saturday, the 12th of September. For now, we warmly invite you to join us at our alumni clubhouse at the Staal after the ceremony to celebrate your achievements with a glass of bubbly or a glass of juice. The clubhouse is located next to the Dani Craven Stadium, that's to our left of you. You're more than welcome to head over in your academic attire and return the attire thereafter. I also wish to congratulate parents, spouses, family, and friends with the achievement of your loved ones. I think it would be most appropriate for our graduates at this point to rise and to acknowledge the support of their loved ones, their families, their spouses with a hearty round of applause. We have now reached the conclusion of our proceedings. Ons het nou die einde van die verrigtinge bereik en ek verklaar hierdie congregasie van die Universiteit Stellenbosch gesloten. I hereby declare this congregation of Stellenbosch University officially closed. Please rise and remain standing while the academic procession leaves the stage.